Here we are diving deep into the intricacies of the literature review cycle. Whether we are seasoned researchers or just starting out, understanding this cycle is essential for producing high quality literature reviews. The first step in the literature review cycle is the selection of a research question. This is crucial because it sets the direction for your review article. You want to formulate a precise research question that will guide your literature review exploration. Once you have your research question, it's time to dive into the literature. This stage involves conducting an extensive search for published works related to your research question. Cast a wide net and explore various sources to gather as much relevant information as possible. With a plethora of literature at your disposal, it's essential to organize and manage your findings effectively. This will facilitate analysis later on. Use tools like citation managers or spreadsheets to keep track of your sources and their key points. Now comes the synthesis stage. Here we integrate and synthesize information extracted from the reviewed literature. Look for patterns, themes, and contradictions across different sources. This step is crucial for gaining a comprehensive understanding of your topic. Armed with synthesized information, it's time to write your literature review. This is more than just summarizing existing works. It's about providing a critical assessment of the findings and insights you have gathered. Evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each source and how they contribute to your overall understanding of the topic. A literature review is never truly finished. It's an iterative process of rethinking, refining, and reworking until you achieve a satisfactory outcome. Be open to feedback and willing to make revisions as necessary. As you refine your review, don't forget to summarize existing works and acknowledge the contributions of previous researchers. Identifying the research problem is about the understanding where your work fits into the broader scholarly conversation. By this point, you should have attained a profound understanding of your subject matter. The literature review cycle isn't just about gathering information. It's about gaining insights and developing expertise in your field. Now it's time to identify gaps, limitations, challenges, and potential avenues for future research opportunities. This is where you contribute to the advancement of knowledge in your field by pinpointing areas that warrant further investigation. The search process involves more than just finding sources. It's about reading and refining your defined problem based on insights you gain from the literature. The literature review process is an iterative process which ensures that your research question remains relevant and impactful. As you gather more literature, it's essential to evaluate each source critically. Identify literature that significantly contributes to your understanding and discard those that are less relevant. Finally, it's time to analyze and interpret the findings and conclusions derived from pertinent literature. This stage is where you make sense of all the information you have gathered and draw meaningful insights to inform your research. Last but not least, organize and create a well-structured bibliography of your literature review. Proper formatting is essential for maintaining clarity and academic integrity in your work.